Yes, I'm Alan Jacob, and this is experiment number 7, BPMS lab, PLSQL programming. Aim to implement PLSQL programming using triggers and cursors. Queries 1. Create a single trigger that does not allow insert, update, and delete operations of the supplier table. So create trigger T1 before insert and supplier 1 for each row. Declare variable 1 number 4. So you create trigger T1, trigger T2, and trigger T3. So begin if new.s underscore id equal s1 and new.s underscore name aaa, then dbms underscore output underscore line. This cannot be inserted. Roll back and if end. So the same way you create your trigger T2 and trigger T3. So then you finally get your screens like this. This is pretty much how it works. Okay, now create a trigger to ensure that it does not contain duplicate. Create trigger T4 after insert and supply 1 for each row. Declare variable 1 number 4 begin. If exists, select star from table supplier 1 inner join inserted ion uh, the is slash id supplier 1.s. Uh, yes, and rollback raise error duplicate data comma 16 comma 1 and if end. uh, yes, and so you get your screen like this. Now the third one, create a trigger that raises an user-defined error message and does not allow updating the order table. So create trigger error message before update on supplier 1 for each row. Declare variable 1 number 4 begin. If new.order id less than 110, then declare dummy int select error you cannot update into dummy from order 1, uh, where order 1.id is with new.id and if end. So then you get this, and write a PLSQL script to display the supply details who has PID greater than 3. Create procedure P1 CS261, whatever you give number default as V underscore count number begin select count star. You give into V count from supplier 1 where P underscore ID is greater than 3. If P1 underscore CS261 is null, then dbms underscore output underscore line S1 the P underscore ID. So this is what we basically do. dbms underscore output underscore line name. You give a name as well. Uh, then you give a gender, you give a date, and you give a program ID. Else select count star. It will be count from supplier 1 where program P underscore ID is greater than 3 and if end. And then you get your answer for your query. Okay. Now, next question. Write a PL/SQL script to display the product names whose ordered quantity greater than 10 using cursors. Create procedure P2CS261. Open P2CS260 number default. Give then count number. Begin. Select count into V1 count from order quantity where order quantity is greater than 10. And then you give the null. dbms output underscore line product ID. You give select count. The same thing repeats there. Order quantity should be greater than 10, and then you end this. So you finally get your answer on your screen. Write a trigger to update the order table whenever the customer ID is updated in the customer. Yeah, so create trigger T1 CS261 after update on customer 1 for each row. Begin. As you can see here, yes, if new customer ID, old customer ID, then update order I10 set for customer ID, new customer ID, where order ID is new order ID, and then you end it. So that's about that query. Yes, and we have a seventh uh, query. That's write a PLSQL block to display an implicit cursor. Yes, of any two of the given tables. The total rows number to begin. Update order quantity. Set order underscore quantities with order underscore quantity plus 5. If SQL code is not found, then dbms underscore output underscore line no orders is selected. Uh, Scroll. And else if total rows dbms output are the same thing and you end this. So you finally get, and then you declare as well. You declare the total rows. Yes, number begin update product. The whole thing goes and then you end this, so you get your screen like this. Yes, and that's the result. The given exercise to implement PL SQL programming has been done successfully. Thank you.